Class 10 circulatory system is here. Now, first of all, what is the need for transport inside the body? Many systems are there in our body, that is digestive system, respiratory system, excretory system, endocrine system. These all system has to be transport. Many things are there which has need transportation. For example, in digestive system, many things are there like nutrients, vitamins, minerals, which has to be transferred in every cell of the body. In respiratory system, gases are there like oxygen, carbon dioxide, which has to be transported. Carbon dioxide has to be collected from the tissues and has to be transferred to the lungs, and then from lungs to the outside, and oxygen to every part of the tissue. Now, in excretory system, urea is there, waste is there, which has to be removed from the body, from the cells, and then from the body. Next, endocrine system. In endocrine system, hormones are there, which through the blood, which is circulate through the blood. Now, what are the two fluids in our body? Main two fluids are in our body are blood and lymph. One more fluid is there, that is tissue fluid. Now see, one diagram is here. They have shown lungs, heart, and arteries. They have shown with the red color, and the veins are with their blue color. Our system is called as a closed circulatory system. Closed circulatory system, that is, closed circulatory system is that circulatory system when blood flow through our arteries and veins. As in our body, blood flows in a closed manner. That's why it is called as closed circulatory system. Whereas in some insects and some invertebrates, blood is flow in a open manner. There is no artery and vein, so that is called as open circulatory system. Clear? Now there are some non-circulating fluids are also in our body, non-circulating, which are not circulating, like blood is always moving, lymph is also moving, tissue fluid also moving, but there are some fluids in our body which are not moving. For example, synovial fluid, which is present in our knees and in our joints. Vitreous humor fluid, which is present in our eye. These fluids do not circulate, that's why it is called as non-circulating fluids. Now next is there, what is blood? What are the characteristics of the blood? First characteristics is that it is never stationary, it doesn't stop moving. Blood is